Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Kimi K3 model completely free and unlimited without any restriction for 7 hours. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. So I have been waiting for the Bridgebench testing. So they have posted it or they have made Kimi K3 model as the topper in all their benchmark. So you can check out benchmark yourself at bridgebench.ai or any other platform as well. So let me show you how you can get it completely free. The Jailu is the platform which is so they are making Kimi 3 model completely free for 7 hours. So these are the timings for different country and for India it is like 9:30 p.m. or on 18th July. So make sure you be ready. Let's see how we set up the thing with the open code. So go to your browser and this is the URL you need to go and click on the sign in. So you need to make an account with Google or GitHub. So I'll go with the Google. So after logging in you need to go to the API key and create a API key. You can name it anything. I'm giving it just random name. So you need to copy this API key. Let me save it somewhere. Okay, I have saved my API key. Now open the open code. So click on this home icon and click on the setting and go to the providers, and at the very bottom there will be a custom provider. Click on this. Now you need to give it ID. Give it ID anything you like. I'm giving it Jilo and give it a display name. You can give it anything also. Now we need to get the API or base URL. So we will go to the docs and this is the base URL for the API. So make sure you put the base URL same I am giving you. Don't put this URL, otherwise it is not going to work. So now we need to paste the API key. Copy the API key from the location you saved. Now we need a model also. So go to the models and there will be a free model somewhere. Okay, go to the dashboard, then go to the models. There will be a model free. So if we go to the Moonshot, so I want you to copy this model and paste it in here. And so now we have copied the Kimi K2 model. We are adding this because it is currently free on the Jailu platform and we can test our setup. By the way, the model we are behind is this. We need to add this one also. According to my analysis, they are not going to add another model with a endpoint free. They are going to make it free for 7 hours for everyone. That's why I'm earlier adding this. Otherwise we need to verify while the model is free. So you can come back at 9:30 p.m. tonight, so to check that they are adding new model or they are giving it free. So we will submit it, and as you can see that Jailu is connected. Let me open a new session. Okay, now what we will do is we will select Jailu K2 model because the K2 is free and it will work. Hi. Okay, it is replying in Chinese. I don't know why. What is So as you can see that it is replying and it is K2 model. If we go to our logs, as you can see that we are hitting the logs also. So this is how you can use this model, and make sure you hit the alarm or anything you want to use, and make a timer or make a alarm to 9:30 p.m. tonight if you are in India, so that you can exploit the Kimi K3 model on Giant Loop platform. That's why I have made this setup video earlier. Otherwise I could have just give a Telegram post or a make a YouTube shorts to let you know that. So I have made this video for on purpose that you have the your setup ready. And make sure I'm requesting, if you are working on major projects, make sure you note down the things and the prompt you want to get done with the Kimi K3. If you are working on a new project, you can also get many things done in the 7 hours. So make sure you be prepared when it comes to the time. So thanks for watching. And by the way, if you go to my YouTube channel, let me show you. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have created a new video, and in which I have shown that you can get GLM 5.2 model completely free and unlimited till July 25. So you can watch this video also, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.